Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you build a professional looking lead magnet that automatically captures emails from your customers. If you've been wondering how to build your email list, this is the solution for you. A lead magnet is a free piece of content that you offer on your website in exchange for an email address. Now, the tool that we're going to use to build our lead magnet is TiinyHost, which is the easiest way to share files online. It supports over 80 different file types and is super easy to use. Let's get started. So I've already logged into TiinyHost, and the next step is to grab the ebook that I'm going to be using for my lead magnets. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to give it a name as sales ebook. Let's keep it simple. And the first thing we need to do is set up the access gate. And this is how you can restrict access to any file. And TinyHost supports a range of different ones, such as having no restriction. Anyone can access it, making it password protected. But in this case, because we're creating a lead magnet, we need to set up capture emails. And we click publish, and TinyHost is going to be uploading and deploying that in seconds and making it available for all of our users. And like that, it's done already. Let's take a quick look at our lead magnet. And there you go, it's already set up a basic looking lead magnet. And for examples on what we need to do, you just put in your email address. And as you can see here, it sends a email verification code. So I'm going to copy that code, I'm going to put that in to here, click continue, and it's going to load up our sales ebook. And as soon as that user has verified their email address, you receive an email with their contact details. This allows you to start building up your email contact book for further content marketing. Okay, let's take this one step further. Let's customize the branding of our landing page. Again, thanks to TinyHost, it makes it super simple. So what we're going to do is go to our options on the file that we just uploaded and click customize email capture page. It's going to take us back to the exact same page, but this is fully editable. And what we're going to do is grab some example images from my amazing ebook, and it gives you full controls and being able to adjust sort of the crop and the size, all that sort of stuff. I think that looks great. I'm going to crop that, I'm going to put that there, and you can also adjust things such as this text for the email box. And let's just update this to make it a little bit more interesting for our user. Great, almost done. Final thing we need to do is click publish. And now we can view our site. And because we're using TinyHost, we get access to the whole suite of analytics that TinyHost provides. And that's really, really useful when you are building a lead magnet, because you want to be able to see who is accessing your pages and the files they're viewing and how long they're spending on the page. To do that is super simple. You go to your upload, you click analytics, and you get to see everything that is happening on that page. Who is visiting, how long they're spending there, their bounce rate, also what countries they're accessing from as well. And as you start to build up an email list, you can use this to start to track where your customers are coming from and how long they're spending looking at your content. And you can set up custom domains. To do that, you need to upload a new file. You click open there, and then you can set up a new custom domain. This is something that I set up earlier, and then we're going to just put in a file and click publish. And that sets up our ebook on our new custom domain. Another useful feature is the ability to generate a QR code. Simply click on view QR code, and that is going to give you a QR code that you can print out, and your customers will be able to scan that and have direct access to your lead magnet. Really great for things such as conferences or business meetings. Makes it quick, makes it easy, makes it simple. The reason this approach works so well is that it removes all of the friction from the process. The customer simply enters their email and gets access to the content they're looking for, and you get a series of verified emails that you can use for further content marketing. No technical knowledge, no IT requests. It is super simple and so easy to do. And that's how you build a professional looking lead magnet system using TinyHost. Honestly, one of the easiest ways to set up a lead magnet system. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With that, I'll catch you in the next one.